Introducing Vuzix, next-generation smart glasses technology. A sleek exterior leads to a tech-rich interior, delivering style and substance with a trendy, comfortable design, combining easy wearability with even greater utility for an enhanced connected mobile experience with fully wireless connectivity. They're made even more dynamic with the added dimension of their ultra-slim, single-layer, see-through binocular waveguides. Powered by a pair of tiny, highly efficient micro-LED projectors, they generate crisp video into the advanced waveguide optics that are viewable indoors and out for heads-up contextual information. Both monochrome and full-color RGB HD+ solutions are in development. And at 1 micron in size, the micro-LEDs have one of the highest density pixel arrays available. From sight, we move to sound, with multiple noise-canceling microphones for flawless phone calls and voice UI integration. Forget your uncomfortable earbuds. With acoustic chambers fully integrated into the frames, we deliver clear stereo targeted over the ears for privacy without losing ambient sound around the wearer. Enhancing hands-free operation, the onboard processor wirelessly communicates with your phone. Use your voice or tap on the touch-sensitive arm to activate the displays, allowing discreet connectivity to the world. And with longer-lasting battery life, the glasses are ready when you are. Style and substance never looked this smart.
This is a Swytch bike.
This is a Swytch bike.
No, this is a Swytch bike.
All right, any bike can be a Swytch bike. You just need a Swytch kit. It's lightweight,
Handheld, fits to your handlebars, and boosts your ride with electric power.
It connects easily and is instantly removable.
With Swytch, you get a bike and an e-bike all in one.
I'm Oliver.
and I'm Dimitro.
We invented the Swytch kit for people that love their bikes.
The new and improved Swytch kit.
Smaller and lighter than ever before.
Here's how it works.
As you cycle, the pedal sensor detects your cadence and sends the signal to the power pack. The control system calculates the optimum power required and delivers it to the motor in the front wheel, giving you all the extra power you need.
We build the front motor wheel for you in any size. Just take off the old wheel and fit the new motor wheel. Then, click on the power pack and you're good to go.
Choose between 5 different power levels for complete control.
Go further and faster without breaking a sweat.
250 watts of power will flatten any hills, and a single charge will last for 50 kilometers.
Lightweight, durable. We've tested on the track to last for years on the road.
Introducing Selpic, the quick-drying, smart handy printer that prints on almost anything.
Almost anything?
Selpic can do it.
Almost anything?
Absolutely. It can print on cloth, leather, cardboard, metal, plastic, wood, glass, skin, and believe it or not, even paper.
Lots of paper.
You can print words, sentences, numbers, dates, emojis, and even your own designs. Just create or upload them in Selpic's easy-to-use app. Plus, with its powerful battery, long-lasting cartridges, and portable size that fits in your purse or man bag, the world is your canvas.
Can it help me with my Etsy shop?
Yup.
Can I put my name on my baseball bat?
Yeah.
So can it customize my shoes?
Definitely.
Can it help me confess my feelings?
Sure thing.
Can I label my lunch?
Absolutely.
Can it help me survive motherhood?
No, but your baby will have great-looking shoes. Because anything's possible when you've got the Selpic, the quick-drying, smart, handy printer.
Introducing the BeBird A2 Intelligent Visual Ear Stick. The efficiency of life needs to be adjusted. The ear is no exception. Ready to use. Automatic network. Efficient and easy to use. Ear enjoyment at your fingertips. Aluminum oxide blasting process. Combines soft and hard glue. Better protection of the ear canal during use. 3.55mm slim lens. Million HD camera. Removable, replaceable ear kit. New changes to enjoy the ear experience. The ear canal is very small, easy to get injured. Look at the side. Ear health knows early. Double care for you and your baby. BeBird A2 Intelligent Visual Ear Pick. Enjoy a new, healthy visual ear experience.
What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. But when your toilet stops working, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM can detect the first sign of a leak or flood and notifies you with the issue and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.